Fuck, asshole.
Make a left turn on Somerset Boulevard. Make a left turn on Garfield Avenue.
What's your problem, dude? Huh? What's your problem, man? Huh? Hey, man, I gotta fucking talk to you. I got you on. Huh? Yeah, I got time on you, man. Yeah, this guy like a true like a road rage. And he's like a almost trying to cause like an accident with me. He threw it like a beer can at my car, and like right now we stop at a gas station. And he tried to get black Lexus. License plate is 8 Henry Umbrella Paul 175. It's a black Lexus GS 350. I'm at the corner of Garfield and I think this is and Compton Boulevard and Video 76 gas station. And Garfield. I think this is Paramount. 76? Yeah. I think it's Paramount. Yeah, it's Paramount or Compton. Garfield and...
Like you're gonna get your license, Doug. You're being recorded, Doug.
Yeah, don't go anywhere, man. Hey, don't go anywhere. Huh? Excuse me? I'm not sure of the address. Yes. Yeah, Somerset. That's the name of the street. Somerset and Garfield.